All right, let's talk about the cardiovascular system. We're going to address the veins and the arteries. We're going to start with the veins above the diaphragm, so the veins above the heart. Here's the superior vena cava, which leads to the right atrium. The brachiocephalic vein, this is the left brachiocephalic vein. That's the right brachiocephalic vein. It drains into the superior vena cava. On the left side of the body, you have the left internal jugular vein and the left subclavian vein. Those converge, leading to the brachiocephalic vein, which leads to the superior vena cava. On the right side, mirror image, you have the right internal jugular vein and the right subclavian vein. Moving below the diaphragm, just a few to know. This whole large vein is the inferior vena cava. This is the right renal vein and the left renal vein. At the base of the inferior vena cava, we have the convergence of the right common iliac vein. I guess it's easiest to see like right there. And then the left common iliac vein. Let's go back to the arteries above the heart. Immediately exiting the heart is the aorta. So at the top of the aorta, this aortic arch is what we see here. There are 3 branches. The first main branch is the brachiocephalic trunk. It's just here, and it's not a right or a left, it's just brachiocephalic trunk. The brachiocephalic trunk splits to the right common carotid artery, and then the right subclavian artery, which you can see right there. On the left side of the heart, or the aorta I should say, you have the left common carotid artery and the left subclavian artery, which is right there. This is the descending thoracic aorta. As it passes through the diaphragm, this thick muscle, you can see the descending abdominal aorta. The very first major artery that exits the aorta after it passes through the diaphragm is the celiac trunk. Immediately inferior is the superior mesenteric artery. This would be the left renal artery. This is the right renal artery. At the bottom of the aorta, you have the right common iliac artery and the left common iliac artery. That's it.